Hi guys. One of my subscribers asked me to watch this video on the restoration of Jesus. I'm sure most of you have seen it on television. So I'm going to watch it and give my impressions.
Taking
Oh my. How could you mess something up like that? Even an amateur. You mean to tell me she didn't know what she was doing? Oh God. I can't believe that. She even had a picture right there of what Jesus looked like. So how could she mess it up? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How could you possibly mess something like that up when you've got a picture right there in front of you? Wow. How could you mess something like that up? How? I can't believe it. Later, guys.